Do you ever think about what's in your drinking water? Faucet water filters remove contaminants such as arsenic, chlorine, and lead from your water supply, so you can have a clean source of water for drinking and cooking. If drinking water is essential for human life, then it makes sense that we would want to consume high-quality water that has the most nutrients and fewest contaminants. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 faucet water filters on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Brita water filter for sink. When you want to cut down on plastic waste and not resort to buying bottled water all the time, we recommend the Brita faucet mount water filter system. We made this our top option for the best faucet water filters because it removes 99% of the lead from your water, and is reasonably priced. It also takes out around 60 other contaminants like asbestos, chlorine, benzene, and more from tap water. For additional protection, there is an extra sieve layer inside the filter to trap sediment and smaller contaminants. As long as you have a standard size faucet, you'll be able to use this water filter. But, if not, this is not the best faucet water filter, as you won't be able to use it with spray faucets and pull-on faucets. The Brita is available in white and chrome finishes. Replacement filter cartridges are available in packs of 2 or 3, starting at $25. Number 2. Pure Plus Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. The Pure Water Filtration System is the best water faucet filter to purify well water. It's also NSF certified and has been tested to meet safety standards. If you hate the taste of your tap water, this pick takes the extra step of filtering the water with natural minerals for a cleaner taste. Like with other models, you can turn the filtered water on and off using a lever on the filter's body. One filter will last for around 100 gallons of use. A built-in filter light indicates when the filter needs to be replaced. Keep in mind that, as with other options, it can only fit certain faucets, and you won't be able to use it if your faucet is extra wide or has a spray handle. Also, when the filter light battery dies, you have to buy a brand new filter system. Number 3. Water Drop Water Filter for Sink. If you're looking to economize, this is the best water filter for the money. At low cost, you get an NSF certified filter that can remove 94.2% of chlorine, lead, and other contaminants from tap water. What's nice about this filter is that it features an active carbon fiber layer that is 10 to 12 times more absorbent than a regular carbon filter. In addition, it can keep contaminants like pesticides, bacteria, and heavy metals from seeping into your water. It can also remove bad taste and odors from tap water. Although it's made to fit most standard size faucets, it has 6 adapters to ensure you get the fit you need. There is also a switch on the filter that lets you switch seamlessly between filtered and regular tap water. It has a strong water stream that flows quickly and can fill about 10 cups with filtered water per minute. Number 4. Culligan FM15A Advanced Faucet Mount Filter. This Culligan filter tackles hard water issues, leaving you with pure tasting water. It uses a carbon block filtration method to reduce harmful chemicals like chlorine, lindane, lead, aconine and other particles from the water. It also can remove bad taste or odor. Keep in mind that its filter life is shorter than other filters on this list. Typically, you'll need to replace it every 2 months, compared to about every 4 to 6 months for other models, which is more common, but it depends on how much water you use. Even though the body is plastic, the attachment and diverter valve are made of metal, so it doesn't feel cheap. Unfortunately, it lacks a filter light, so it's not the best faucet water filter when it comes to replacing cartridges, which you can get for $20. But you do get a sticker to place on the device to remind you to change it. Number 5. Water Drop Countertop Water Filter. If you want to remove all traces of chlorine from your water, consider this faucet filtration system from Water Drop. Besides filtering chlorine and other chemicals from tap water, it lasts for up to 8,000 gallons before you need to replace it. This makes it the best faucet water filter for anyone who prefers to replace their filter once a year as opposed to every few months. As big as it is, it's not a permanent fixture, so it's a good option for apartments and RVs. It features a 5-stage filtration system that removes toxins such as chlorine, colloid, as well as sediment. At the same time, it adds minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium to your drinking water. Adding additional quantities of minerals to your tap can improve the taste and provide health benefits. On the one hand, it's nice that it's made from stainless steel, but it has a reputation for breaking under pressure. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.